Hello friends, I am Srikanth Vinakota, Director Analog IAS Academy. Today I am very happy to announce that we are starting new batches for optional subjects. As you know, in civil services examination, high scores in optional is very critical in your success. In this context, we are starting new batches for 3 optional subjects, that is public administration, political science and international relations, as well as anthropology optional subjects. And these optional subjects will be in the duration of 3.5 to 4 months, and they will be in the medium of English, and the courses are available both in online mode as well as in offline mode. There will be demo classes for each of these optional subjects. First one, public administration by DM Ravikumar sir. The demo class will be on 22nd June at 10 a.m. in the morning. And political science and international relations by Srinivas Sannidhanam sir. The demo class will be on 23rd of June at 2:30 p.m. And also anthropology optional subject demo class by Dr. Ravindra Reddy sir will be on 23rd of June at 5 p.m. All these demo classes will be held at Analog IAS Academy at Indira Park premises. After these demo classes, all the 3 optionals, the batches will start from the very next day, that is on 24th of June at 2:30 p.m. in the afternoon. For registrations, contact the following number.